Hey Rebels, quick check-in tonight. I've had a few of you ask me recently about cutting back to your macros from a week or two ago, since this week your weight fluctuated or this week you're up a little bit. Um, I want to remind everybody to keep your eye on the goal. First of all, the reason that a lot of people get into trouble with their eating, with not being able to lose weight, is that they get into a cycle of binging on the weekends and then starving all week to try to get the weight off. Remember that if you're not eating enough calories, your body breaks down its own muscle to fuel itself, and that you increase your metabolism by gaining muscle. So you're completely shooting yourself in the foot if you do that. Um, at the end of the day, the number one goal that we have here is changing your metabolism so that you have a lifetime of leanness ahead of you. So we've got to make permanent changes, and you can't let yourself fall back into the old habits that caused the problems in the first place. So trust the process. If your weight fluctuates a little bit, and it does, especially when we start getting those calories up higher, your weight may fluctuate a little bit and it may plateau for a little while. But even if your weight stays the same while we continuously increase calories, that's still a win, because we are changing your metabolism. Your body's accepting more and more carbs and more fat without changing its weight, which means that the sooner we reach your caloric goal and can be sure that you're solidly there, then if you still have some more leanness to get, we can do a shortcut and your body will actually respond to it. But if we keep stopping along the way to do little cuts here and little cuts there because you're concerned about the little fluctuations in weight, then you're just going to end up making the process take a lot longer. So be consistent, be accurate. Remember the goal when you have the parties and the weekend things. And remember that we're trying to make a lifestyle change, so you need to stick to your guns, and you'll get there sooner. And the better you stick to things, the bigger your macro allowance will be, so you'll be able to afford more of the fun and interesting foods that you may feel like you're missing. So keep that in mind. Keep your eye on the goal. Don't let yourself give in to the temptation of hurrying and cutting back to take off a little bit of weight. Be good to yourself. Fix that metabolism. Allow the muscle to gain. Allow your body to keep it. I'll talk to you soon.